Hi, I'm Anya. Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to do something super useful. We are going to book a hotel room, in English. Booking a hotel can be stressful when you're not confident in English, especially if you're talking to someone on the phone or at the front desk. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. In this video, you'll hear a complete conversation, step by step, with all the important questions and polite phrases you can use when booking a hotel room. Let's start. Imagine I'm going on a weekend trip to the beach. I need to book a hotel for 2 nights, Saturday and Sunday. Instead of using an app, I've decided to call the hotel and speak to the receptionist directly. Before I call, I make a list of things I want to ask. Room type and availability. Price per night. Check-in and check-out times. Amenities, Wi-Fi, parking, AC, breakfast, swimming pool, etc. Cancellation policy. Payment options. Room view, garden or sea view. Ready? Let's listen to the full conversation.
Hello, Sugar Breeze Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, from the 25th to the 27th of this month. Do you have any rooms available?
Yes, we do. We have a deluxe room and a standard room available. Would you prefer 1 double bed or 2 single beds?
1 double bed, please. What's the difference between the standard and deluxe rooms?
The deluxe room is larger, has a sea view, and comes with a bathtub. The standard room has a garden view and a shower.
I see. How much are they per night?
The standard room is $80 per night, and the deluxe room is $110 per night.
Is breakfast included in the price?
Yes, breakfast is complimentary for both rooms.
Great. And do you offer free Wi-Fi?
Yes, high-speed Wi-Fi is available in all rooms.
That's perfect. What about parking?
We have free parking available for our guests.
Nice. Is there a swimming pool?
Yes, we have an outdoor pool and a small fitness center.
Sounds good. One more thing, what are the check-in and check-out times?
Check-in is from 2 p.m. onwards, and check-out is before 11 a.m.
Got it. And what is your cancellation policy?
You can cancel up to 24 hours before the check-in date without any charges.
Perfect. I think I'll go with the deluxe room. I'd like to book it now, please.
Sure. Can I have your name and phone number?
Yes, my name is Anya Verma, and my number is 987-654.
Thank you, Miss Anya. Your booking is confirmed. We look forward to welcoming you.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Practice saying these phrases aloud. I remember my first time calling a hotel in English. I forgot the word available and just asked, "Do you have room, maybe?" But it's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. Now I feel much more confident. And if I can do it, so can you. Thank you so much for watching. Try practicing this conversation at home, say the lines out loud and build your confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment as I will practice, and don't forget to subscribe to learn English with me. Bye now, I'll meet you in the next video.